Welcome to our video series on cognition. There is high incidence of depression in our society today, and you may wonder, what is going on? Why are people not able to cope with the challenges of this life? You are not alone in that pattern. However, you need to watch our video series on cognitive health in its entirety to know why some people cope with life challenges and some do not. This video series will help you to take control of your cognitive health and also to put you in a better position to support others on the verge of losing control of their cognitive health. It is important to note that cognitive health is defined as the ability to clearly think, learn, and remember things, and it is an important component of your brain health. Remember, this video series on cognitive health are based on well-researched and scientifically tested datasets. Having said that, you may ask, what is cognition? Cognition is the ability to think, learn, and remember. It is the foundation for how we reason, judge, concentrate, plan, and organize. Bear in mind that good cognitive health, like physical health, is very important as we get older, so that we can stay independent and keep active. It may surprise you to hear that some decline in cognition and memory with age are normal. However, in some situations, it could be a signal of some underlying health conditions. Later on in this video series, we will discuss in detail the different factors that could lead to memory changes. Firstly, as we grow older, it is possible to notice a decline in our ability to remember things, and this is memory loss due to aging. Secondly, some health conditions can also lead to memory loss. Thirdly, negative experiences can affect someone's emotional well-being, thereby leading to memory loss. We will discuss them further in this video series. Remember to watch our video on dealing with emotional problems. We wish above all that you will be in good health. We hope you found this video informative. Thank you for watching. This is a Faith Media Platform educational resource.